What's up guys, it's V here. In the last video, we talked about recording a sale and the receipt of payment from a customer. So just to keep that party going, we're going to talk about recording the deposit of those payments. So let's get that ball rolling, shall we? In the last video, we looked at this example where we recorded a $1,000 payment from Jay Walker that was collected on an invoice, and we also recorded a $200 payment from Sandy Beach using the sales receipt. And remember that we recorded these payments to the undeposited funds account because we weren't ready to deposit. So let's just piggyback on this example. On April 15, we deposited the payments from Jay Walker and Sandy Beach to the business checking account. I'm actually going to show you two ways that you can record this deposit. The first way is to create a deposit using the form in QuickBooks Online, and the second way is to do it directly through the bank feed. Either method will work, but with the first way, you're less likely to make recording errors, and the second way, there's one less step. So you should decide which way is best for you and your circumstances. Alright, let's start with this first method. We're going to go to New and bank deposit. Wait for that. Any day now. Okay, so we're going to make sure that the account is our checking account and that the date is 4-15, the date of our deposit. When we pull up this deposit form, all the outstanding customer payments that were recorded will show up here, but only if they are recorded to undeposited funds first. Now all we need to do is check off the payments that are included in this deposit and save and close. It is as easy as that. Okay, now let's fast forward to when we're ready to review the bank feed. We're going to go into banking so that we can see our bank clear transactions. And there's that deposit. And notice that QuickBooks is actually perceiving that deposit that we previously recorded as a match to this bank deposit, which it is. So we're going to select match to link it to that deposit that we recorded. And that is it. The deposit has been recorded and it is now linked to the bank clear transaction. Let's move on to the second method. This one we're going to record the deposit directly from the bank feed. So that deposit that we recorded earlier, we're going to delete it like it never happened. And back in the bank feed, notice that since we don't have a deposit recorded, QuickBooks is now giving us the suggestion to add instead of match. Clicking this add button now is about the worst thing you can do at this point. If you click add, you'll be recording the deposit as an entirely separate sales transaction, so you'll basically be creating additional income on your books, which is not good. What you want to do is click on the bank transaction and select Find Match. When you open up the Match Transactions window, QuickBooks will suggest the customer payments to be included in the deposit. In this case, we only have the two, but in real life, you'll want to check that the suggestion is correct, and if it's not, edit as necessary. But other than that, the suggestion is correct for us, so we'll just save. What we just did was create a deposit in QuickBooks that links to those payments. And I will show you, if we go to Reviewed, this is the deposit that we just recorded from the bank feed, and if I open it, there's the deposit. It looks pretty much exactly like if we had recorded the deposit first. Guys, that is the end of this video, but I do have more videos coming up in QuickBooks Online as well as Business Finance. Let me know in the comments below what you're hoping to see, and as always, hit that subscribe button for updates on the latest.